Moving on, let's now shift focus to Pune. Strict action on illegal constructions is the message of the local government in Pune. Development body PMRDA has decided to cut off the electricity and water supply for illegal buildings. Now, in fact, to understand this better, we have PMRDA Chairman Mahesh Zagare with us. Welcome to Magic Picks now, Mr. Zagare. Firstly, I'd like to ask you, now you have created an app to identify illegal constructions with the help of proactive citizens. How many requests have you received up till now and how many have been cleared?
So this is the new beginning of getting participation from all the quarters to contain illegal constructions, and therefore we wanted participation of the people also. Therefore, this is one of those initiatives to involve people to report illegal constructions and thereby to increase the level of reporting, apart from what we are doing through our own official machinery. This is addition to that. This app, after launching, which was first Android and then now iOS also, is catching up. So far, we have received 400 odd complaints. We have to go through the complaints, find out whether they are really genuine. Some people even post selfies also. So we do the background check and then we issue notices. Now we are in the process of issuing notices to all those who have, wherein we have received the complaints. 1 month of period is given for reply to the notice. Then we give a proper hearing as provided in the law, and then we go in for actual demolition. So far we have filed 6 FIRs against the people who have constructed illegally, and in 2 cases we have actually carried out the demolitions also.
All right, so tell us that how many illegal buildings have you documented so far which fall under the jurisdiction of PMRDA?
It is like this. My predecessor organization, that is this before PMRDA was formed, this was being controlled by the district administration, that is the collector. And according to their estimates, there are about 76,000 illegal constructions around Pune in PMR region. That list we are trying to seek from them, because the lists are available with Tahsildars at block levels, and then they will be collected and given to us. We are trying to request them to expedite sharing of this list. This is 1. 2, we are not just depending on that list. We are trying to set up our own machinery by involving a contractor to go in the field and get the information. Apart from the apps, our own people are also there in the field. So we do not have the actual figure, but it could be in the range of 75 to 80,000 illegal constructions around Pune in the area of about 7,600 square kilometers.
Okay, so how many of these projects are you taking action against, and what kind of action are you going to take?
See, what has happened, like it is not that every construction is illegal. We give fair chance as provided in the law to explain whether it is legal or illegal. If it is a legal construction, they can give reply to us and give their proposal for regularization of this proposal by paying the fine that is provided in the law. So we do not just go on the spree of demolishing the thing. If it could be regularized, if it follows all the norms and rules and regulations, then we try to regularize it. We get this information only after we get reply from the people, and then if it is found that it is still an illegal structure, it cannot be regularized, then we order demolition.
Also tell us, Mr. Zagare, which are the locations which you have found the problem most rampant in?
See, it is like wherever there is rapid urbanization, like Ambegaon, Nare, and all these places. And of course, it is not just limited to these areas, but wherever it was possible for people to do the construction without the knowledge of administration, they used to do it. But now, when we started demolitions, there is definite shift, and this definite drop in the illegal constructions, especially in Manjri area where it used to be rapid. But once our mass action starts, I believe these constructions will come down.
All right, now before we let you go, one last question would be, are you planning to take any action against the architects?
It is not just the architects, but it is also the structural engineers and those who are involved. If we find that some architect is involved, and if there is a legal connection between the illegal illegal building developer and the architect or the structural engineer, then yes, we are going to do it. And in our criminal action, we are also going to involve these people, those who are aiding and abetting these criminalities.
All right, thank you so much for joining us on Magic Bricks Now.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.